Hello, this is Group 28, and we are presenting our final project, which is the 3D weight tracker app. And these are our group members, as you can see their names and in the video. So in our current lifestyle has resulted in unhealthy weights, which causes diseases like heart attacks and high cholesterol, diabetes, depression, and obesity. And currently, there are a lot of weight tracking apps, but many of them that are existing are so manual that they require one to input all the required elements, which is actually a waste of time and it's tiresome. So to address this problem, we have developed a 3D weight tracker app that utilizes advanced data analysis and computer vision algorithms to provide users with tailored and simplified way of tracking weight and achieve their weight loss goals. And we believe that our 3D weight tracker app has the potential to significantly improve the effectiveness of weight management for individuals seeking to achieve their weight loss goals. And the purpose of this project is therefore to design and implement an Android application, and it can be Android and OS that will be used to track weight loss among a group of people who really need to maintain their weight. And this study focused on Android and OS because currently a lot of people widely use smartphones. Yeah, almost everyone currently has a smartphone, so that will definitely be easy for everyone to access the app. And the problem statement is despite the widespread availability of weight track apps, most of them are so manual that one needs to enter all the required information manually, which is a waste of time and tiresome. So as a result, there is need for a weight tracking app that utilizes computer vision algorithms and data analysis to scan the user's body automatically without inputting stuff. And after, it calculates the circumference of the body parts, which is later used to calculate properties like the body mass index and the body fat. So the main objective of this project is to design a 3D weight tracking app that utilizes computer vision algorithms and data analysis to scan the user's body automatically, calculate the circumference of the body parts, which is later used to calculate properties like the body mass index and the body fat. Yeah, so let my fellow presenter take over.
Hello, this is Derek, and like we had the major objective of this project, or the major objective of the 3D mobile app. Some other objectives of this project. The first one is to create a user-friendly 3D model of the body that accurately reflects the user's weight and progress towards their weight loss goals. Another objective is to integrate algorithms that analyze weight tracking data to provide personalized recommendations and guidance to users. This mobile app is also going to allow users to set and track weight loss goals, receive reminders and motivation to stay on track and track their progress over a period of time. The app is also going to measure the application's effectiveness in supporting weight loss and improving the overall health and well-being through user surveys and data analysis. This application is also going to keep people motivated with their personalized goals, helping them to look and feel better. Under the scope of the project, the case study of the research is the Kampala city, because it is where at least almost everyone has a smartphone. And the project is a mobile application because we want it to be easily accessible, i.e. using handheld devices like smartphones and tablets. The 3D weight tracking app will be available for both Android and iOS mobile platforms. This mobile application targets both male and female people, all ages, and it caters for weight tracking of all users. The significance of this project or this application is the 3D weight tracking has the potential to significantly improve the effectiveness of weight management for individuals seeking to achieve their weight goals. And this app is going to utilize advanced data analysis, and the app utilizes the knowledge of cutting-edge artificial intelligence and computer vision technology to accurately measure human body in 3 simple steps to provide personalized recommendations and guidance to users, which guidance can lead to more successful weight loss outcomes. This application also has the potential to reach a wide audience of individuals seeking to improve their weight management and the overall health, regardless of their location or socioeconomic status. And such a project will further attract and incorporate a large percentage of people into the physicals, which will be a good step in improving the physical health of a person. Lastly, the project will create a new data set that can aid in future research in the field of physical health.
How the requirements are met. So we did of the previous notes. We try to collect detailed information about the current methods being used to track weight, and we were able to establish that the requirements necessitated that to come up with our system analysis that we took users and function requirements estimates. The system design our implementation is we're implementing it in system and iOS. We are using Tracker framework, which is the data programming language. We use the integrating development tool for the Android platform and Firebase for the storing data. In the test and validation, we included unit testing, integration testing, and system testing. So, and the validation carried out to ensure that the application meets the user specification. On the system architecture, we have the login and registration. That's where with the user to register in the application. And after registering, they're allowed to log in. Then body scanning is a module that the users use to scan the front and side view of their body. After that, the application is able to calculate the circumference, the various body parts through the computer vision algorithms, and yes. And the result will be displayed on the next as my friend describes the implementation and this.
Yes, this is Kapoza, and I'm taking you through the system implementation and testing. As you see on the first module, it welcomes you to the mobile app, the mobile application. Then you are taken to the registration page where you register your email, first name and last name, and your password for the first time. Then you create your account on the database. Then after you sign in using the sign-in page where you are provided re-register your email and your password, or maybe use the Gmail account. And maybe if you didn't register, you can go down and register again on the register now. Then after signing in, you go and insert your date of birth, where you are prompted to register your date of birth, your month, then your year, then you select your gender, then you input your weight in kilograms, then the height in centimeters, then you save. Then afterwards, the application will allow you, you are supposed to allow the application to access your camera. If you're using it for the first time, then you take you capture the front view of your you capture the front view of your image. Next.
Sorry, on adding on this, after scanning the front view, we will also have to scan the side view so that the application can get the circumference, getting the 3D body model. But currently we haven't implemented it, but we are working on it.
Then afterwards, you can, the application will display the measurements, as then these results obtained after the scan will be used to calculate the properties like the body mass index and the body fat. Then the user will be able to compare the results from the previous scan to the current one in order to measure the progress. The app will be able to store all the data of the previous scans and the calculations.
Yeah, we still haven't implemented that, but we are working on it. We are on it.
In conclusion, our 3D weight tracker app has the potential to significantly improve weight management and successfully weight loss outcomes by utilizing knowledge of cutting-edge artificial intelligence and computer vision technology. Our app can address the limitations of existing weight tracking apps and provide a more effective solution for individuals seeking to manage their weight and improve their overall health. Thank you.
Yeah. Sorry. Thank you so much.